Our targeted topic today is the benefit formula. My name is Jamie Mullen and I'm a Senior Benefit Specialist here at Empers. If at any time throughout your career you have questions about your Empers-sponsored benefits, you can contact a specialist at the email address provided. Once you meet the eligibility requirements to retire, you will receive a lifetime monthly retirement benefit. The amount of your benefit is based on a formula that is set by law, which takes into account your total service credit and your average salary. As a general rule, the longer you work and the higher your pay, the higher your lifetime benefit will be. Today, we're going to break down the benefit formula and show you how your benefit is calculated. In addition to the lifetime monthly benefit, we're also going to discuss an extra temporary benefit that is potentially payable until the age of 62 for members retiring under the year 2000 plan or the 2011 tier. We will also review a couple of provisions applicable to uniform patrol members retiring under the closed plan. And lastly, we're going to look at how you can quickly determine the percentage of your average salary that your Empers benefit will replace. The base benefit formula. Your base lifetime monthly benefit takes into account your total service credit, your final average pay, and a multiplier. Service credit includes time worked for the state, eligible unused sick leave credit, as well as any time that you've purchased or transferred for credit into Empers. Your final average pay is the average of your highest consecutive 36 months of pay, no matter where in your entire pay history that happens to fall. The multiplier for the closed plan is 1.6%, and the multiplier for the year 2000 plan and the 2011 tier is 1.7%. Here's a quick example of how the base monthly retirement benefit is calculated for someone retiring with 20 years of service and a final average pay of $3,500 per month. If they were retiring under the closed plan, their base monthly benefit would be $1,120 per month. You can see that we arrived at that figure by multiplying the 20 years of service times the $3,500 final average pay times the 1.6% multiplier. If they were retiring under the year 2000 plan or the 2011 tier, their base monthly benefit would be $1,190 per month. Same calculation there, only the multiplier in this case is 1.7%. A quick word of caution. Closed plan members are eligible to retire under the closed plan or the year 2000 plan. Closed plan members should not base their election solely on the base benefit formula or the figures depicted in this presentation. When choosing between the two plans, there are many other factors to consider, such as potential differences in eligibility dates, cost of living adjustments, and survivor benefits, just to name a few. The temporary benefit. The temporary benefit is available only in the year 2000 plan and the 2011 tier. Year 2000 plan and 2011 tier members that reach normal, unreduced retirement eligibility before the age of 62, as well as uniform patrol members that are subject to mandatory retirement at age 60, receive a second benefit called the temporary benefit. The temporary benefit is payable until the age of 62. The temporary benefit is calculated in the same manner as the base benefit, only the multiplier is 0.8%. Here's another quick example of how the temporary monthly benefit is calculated. We'll stick with the same assumptions. In this case, the temporary benefit would be $560 per month. Again, we have the years of service times the final average pay times the 0.8% multiplier. Adding the temporary monthly benefit to the base monthly benefit would produce an initial total benefit of $1,750 per month. Again, the temporary benefit ends at age 62. The closed plan Uniform Patrol Extra Third. Uniform Patrol members retiring under the closed plan receive an extra third added to their base benefit. The extra third lasts for the member's lifetime. An example of the closed plan Uniform Patrol benefit, again using the same assumptions, in this case would yield a monthly benefit of $1,493.33 per month. Again, you can see we took the 20 years of service times the $3,500 final average pay times the 1.6% multiplier, and then we multiplied that by an extra third. Uniform Patrol members retiring under the closed plan that were hired before January 1 of 1995 receive a $90 per month special benefit. The $90 special benefit is paid until the age of 65. However, the special benefit is not payable in any month in which the retiree is gainfully employed. Income replacement. EMPERS is just one of the sources of income that will make up your overall retirement picture. If you have a long career with the state, the EMPERS benefit will replace a fair percentage of your final average pay so that when combined with Social Security and personal savings, you can afford to retire. Of course, if you do not work long for the state, the EMPERS benefit will replace a lower percentage of your final average pay, thus requiring you to boost the personal savings portion of the equation. A quick and easy way to give you an idea as to the percentage of your final average pay that your EMPERS benefit will replace is to multiply the number of years of service that you expect to work by the plan multiplier. For example, someone with 30 years of service can expect to replace 48% of their final average pay in the closed plan or 51% of their final average pay in the year 2000 plan or 2011 tier. For the 20-year employee, the replacement percentage is 32% in the closed plan and 34% in the year 2000 plan or 2011 tier. For the 10-year employee, the replacement percentage is 16% in the closed plan and 17% in the year 2000 plan or 2011 tier, and so forth. Income replacement for the closed plan Uniform Patrol, as well as initial income replacement for year 2000 plan and 2011 tier members receiving the temporary benefit will of course be higher. Take time to visit SSA.gov in order to estimate your future benefit from Social Security. I would also encourage you to take stock of any personal retirement savings that you have, such as with the Missouri Deferred Comp Plan, or plans with former employers, or plans that you might have in tax-advantaged saving vehicles such as IRAs. It's very important to understand what your overall retirement picture will look like so that you can adjust your savings goals as needed. More detailed information regarding your EMPERS covered benefits can be found in the Closed Plan Retirement Handbook, as well as the year 2000 plan and 2011 tier retirement handbook. You can view the handbook under the publications section of our website, empers.org. You can also view personalized benefit information, including estimates of your EMPERS benefit for a date of your choosing, through your MyEMPERS Secure Member Access account. Your account is now easily accessible with your phone or tablet. This has been a very basic, high-level discussion of this particular topic. We realize everyone's situation may be different, so we encourage you to contact a specialist to discuss your situation in detail. We appreciate you taking a few minutes to learn more about your benefits through EMPERS. Thank you.